Hello, Doctor. Thank you for making time to listen to my presentation. The topic of my presentation is Zara's Logistics Powerhouse. How smart supply chains drive fast fashion excellence. Zara's logistical strategy is critical to its global success in fast fashion industry. Unlike traditional retailers that operate on seasonal planning cycles, Zara has built a logistics model centered on speed, responsiveness, and data-driven decision making. This presentation highlights 5 core components driving Zara's logistical advantage. Zara, the flagship brand of Inditex, was founded in 1975 and has grown into a global fashion leader with over 2,000 stores in more than 90 countries. What sets Zara apart is its fast fashion model, turning runway trends into store-ready items within weeks. This speed is powered by vertically integrated supply chain and centralized logistics operations based in Spain, which allow for fast production, distribution, and replenishment worldwide. Technology plays a major role, with tools like RFID and real-time point-of-sale data enabling Zara to track inventory, monitor trends, and manage stock levels effectively. Zara's sourcing strategy also supports speed and sustainability by focusing on nearby suppliers in Europe and North Africa, which helps reduce lead times and maintain ethical standards. In short, Zara's success comes from its agile, customer-focused business model, one where logistics is tightly woven into every aspect of its global strategy. At the core of Zara's logistics strategy is its use of information technology to align supply with real-time customer demand. Technologies like RFID and point-of-sale systems allow Zara to track inventory and sales instantly across all locations. This enables a fast feedback loop between stores, warehouses, and production, helping reduce stockouts and unnecessary markdowns. Zara's centralized distribution hubs in Spain play a critical role in executing this strategy, allowing the company to ship new products worldwide in just a few days. The agility of this model supports Zara's fast fashion approach, where quick decision making and fast turnaround are key to staying ahead of trends. Ultimately, it's this seamless integration of IT and logistics that gives Zara its competitive edge. Zara's logistics system truly comes to life through its use of advanced technology. RFID tags track items at every stage from factory to store, offering real-time inventory visibility. Point-of-sale systems collect daily sales data, which is instantly shared with headquarters, helping inform replenishment and production decisions. Automation also plays a big role. Distribution centers are equipped with high-speed sorting and packaging systems, allowing Zara to ship new items to stores twice a week with precision and speed. All of this is powered by strong data analytics and integrated communication, ensuring every part of the supply chain stays connected and responsive to customer demand. Zara closely monitors key performance indicators to keep its logistics efficient and aligned with business goals. Lead time is one of the most critical metrics, tracking how fast products move from production to store shelves. Zara also track inventory turnover to ensure items aren't sitting idle and that shelves are stocked with in-demand products. Stockout frequency is monitored to avoid missed sales, while the sell-through rate helps Zara understand how quickly new collections are selling at full price. Order accuracy and fulfillment speed reflect how well Zara meets store needs without delays. Lastly, distribution center processing time is optimized to maintain fast and reliable global deliveries. Together, the KPIs help Zara stay lean, responsive, and ahead of fashion trends. Zara's logistics performance is laser focused on supporting broader business objectives. Every metric tracked, from delivery speed to inventory levels, is tied to driving customer satisfaction and boosting profitability. A top priority is speed to market. Zara uses real-time data to make fast, informed decisions, helping it react quickly to changing trends. This performance-driven mindset also supports continuous improvement. By constantly analyzing logistics outcomes, Zara identifies where to streamline operations without sacrificing quality. Importantly, the company balances speed and efficiency with sustainability goals, ensuring that rapid fashion delivery doesn't come at an environmental cost. This strategy focus helps Zara maintain a competitive edge in a fast-moving industry. Zara's procurement strategy is designed for speed and responsibility. By sourcing locally and regionally, mainly within Europe and North Africa, the company significantly reduces lead times and gains better control over quality. Its suppliers' relationships are built on flexibility, allowing Zara to quickly scale production up or down based on real-time demand. What makes Zara stand out is its commitment to ethical practices. It partners with suppliers who meet high labor and environmental standards, reinforcing the brand's values around sustainability. Procurement is tightly integrated with design and production, ensuring that sourcing decisions align with market needs and brand identity. This agile ethical approach plays a critical role in enabling Zara fast fashion success. Zara's procurement strategy is closely tied to its fast fashion business model. The company operates a vertically integrated supply chain, which gives it greater control over quality, speed, and cost. It smartly balances in-house production with strategic outsourcing, allowing for both efficiency and flexibility. One of Zara's key advantages is working with suppliers located near its Spanish hubs. This proximity helps the company to reduce turnaround times dramatically. Additionally, sustainability is not an afterthought. It's a core part of the supplier selection process. Zara also collaborates closely with its partners to drive continuous improvement in materials, quality, and delivery. This strategy ensures procurement function is fast, responsible, and aligned with brand goals. Zara's ability to react quickly to fashion trends is one of its biggest competitive strengths. Store managers send real-time sales feedback directly to headquarters, which allows the design and planning teams to quickly identify what's trending. Based on this input, Zara develops and replenishes products in as little as 2 to 3 weeks, a pace that outperforms most of the industry. The company also uses small batch production to test new designs and gauge customer interest without overcommitting inventory. Centralized design and inventory planning enable rapid coordination between demand signals and product availability. This fast and flexible model helps Zara stay aligned with customer preferences, update collections mid-season, and keep its offering fresh, ultimately boosting sales and customer loyalty. Zara's customer satisfaction loop is built on a fast, responsive connection between the sales floor and supply chain. Store managers provide daily feedback to headquarters, which is then used to guide production and inventory decisions. This real-time data helps Zara avoid overstock and stockouts by ensuring that only the most in-demand products are replenished quickly. Because Zara's shelves are updated frequently and with fresh items, customers are encouraged to visit stores more often, knowing that new styles arrive regularly. High product availability and short waiting times enhance the overall shopping experience. This consistent service reinforces trust, strengthens brand loyalty, and ultimately supports revenue growth by keeping the customer at the center of every logistical decision. Zara's warehouse strategy is built around a centralized distribution model, with all inventory routed through high-tech hubs in Spain. These hubs are heavily automated, allowing Zara to sort, pack, and ship products with remarkable speed and precision. As a result, new items can reach global stores within 24 to 48 hours, keeping Zara's fashion offering fresh and relevant. Centralized control also helps maintain consistent product quality and brand presentation across markets. It gives Zara tight control over inventory levels, avoiding unnecessary stock buildup. By strategically locating its distribution centers close to production facilities, Zara shortens lead times, enhances responsiveness, and supports its fast fashion model on a global scale. Zara's approach to packaging goes beyond just protecting products. It's a strategic tool that supports efficiency and sustainability. The company uses right-sized packaging to reduce material waste and optimize how space is used during transport, which not only cuts shipping costs but also lowers its environmental footprint. Smart packaging also simplifies in-store handling by being display ready, helping store teams restock faster and more effectively. Additionally, many packages are integrated with RFID technology, improving tracking accuracy throughout the supply chain. This packaging strategy reinforces Zara's commitment to sustainability while supporting logistical precision and a seamless customer experience. Key takeaways. Zara's logistics strategy centers on using technology to match inventory with customer demand in near real time. With tools like RFID and integrated point of sale systems, Zara tracks products across supply chain and quickly adjusts to sales trends. This minimizes markdowns and stockouts while keeping shelves stocked with in-demand styles. The procurement process further supports speed by sourcing from suppliers close to its Spanish distribution hubs, reducing lead times and maintaining quality and ethical standards. Customer service and demand management are tightly integrated. Daily sales feedback from stores guide production and replenishment decisions, ensuring customer preferences drive inventory flow. Meanwhile, Zara's centralized distribution model and automated warehousing allow for global deliveries in just a few days. Performance is tracked by using metrics like lead time and stock turnover, ensuring logistics align with profitability and sustainability goals. Altogether, Zara's lean, agile, and tech-enabled supply chain help it stay ahead of fashion trends and maintain a strong competitive edge. Lastly, Doctor, these are some of the references that I used. I also want to thank you for your time in listening to my presentation, and thank you for the course. It's been a great learning experience for me. Thank you.